Copying moving files or folders.
When you copy and paste a file, the file will remain in its original location and will also appear in the new location.
When you cut and paste a file, the file will disappear or move from its original location and will appear in the new location.
To copy or cut and paste a file, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the folder containing the file you want to copy or cut. Step 2. Select the file. Step 3. Right-click on the file you want to copy.
A context menu appears.
Step 4. Click on Copy or Cut command. Windows 10 will place a copy of the file in a special memory location called the clipboard. Step 5. Open the location where you want to paste the file. Step 6. Right-click on an empty place. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 7. Click on Paste command. Windows 10 will insert the file in a new location.